god, what just happened to my garden? Trees are everywhere. Oh no.
Where are you going?
Are you okay? Oh no. Climb up to the mountain. What? Are you alright?
Yeah, by the tornado.
Oh.
Where am I? Hi everybody, where am I? Where am I?
Oh god, it's a mess. We are back home?
Yeah.
Look at mommy. How can we clean up the trees?
I don't know. Maybe we gotta carry them somewhere. Oh, what a beautiful day! So we gotta clean up this mess from the tornado. So come on.
That leads those two on the front over the tree. What?
Wow, an egg.
Oh.
It's a white egg.
Wow. You got two eggs.
Hey, what are you waiting for? Let's keep on finding more eggs.
Tell me. Okay, let's move again. Wow, this color is
Pink.
What egg can be pink?
I don't know.
It's a pink bird. Wow, we found the 3 eggs.
Come on, let's find more eggs. Wow, there's a pink egg, and a white egg, and a white egg.
How many?
There's 1, 2, 3. Guys, we're going to use the water in here and crack this one out in water, and we will see this on Jordan's. Okay?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, good idea. Let's get some water.
Yes,
To find out these mysterious eggs, subscribe. It's out for the next video.